The next step is to, I'm making this again, I'll show you. I'm not going to disturb on any of these. Okay. So this is our sofa, which was done initially. The next step is to see the line over here and make this line parallel. Okay. Then we divide this into half again, or you can make it a little above. Okay, you don't need to divide this. You can make it a little above. Converge this point to the vanishing point and get back. Okay, converge this and diverge this back. So this is where it will touch. Look at the line over here and make this parallel over here. Converge this and diverge this back. So I hope there is no doubt in this. Till here, there is no doubt, right? Tell me, guys. Till here, there is no doubt, I hope. Yeah. Now, after doing so, you will see the distance here. Divide this into half and make one more division by converging this and diverging this back. And then we will learn how to do the curves. Okay. After this, we'll learn how to do the curves. To do the curves, what we need to do is, we need to first make a point where the curve has to start. So I'm going to do this separately over here to make you understand. And then I'll do this again over there. Suppose you need to make curve on sides of the box. Okay, suppose you want to make this in the curve form. So what you should do is you should take the point here and converge this line, converge this line here. So suppose you want to start the curve from here and end the curve here. Okay, fine. Now after doing this, what you will do is you're going to make this line parallel with that. And we have got this line parallel with this. We have got this line parallel with that. And we have got this line parallel with this. The curve will start from here and the curve will end here. Okay, the curve will start from here and will end here. So wherever it has to start, that point you will converge to this point. Okay, that point you have to converge to this point, vanishing point. And the other point will also get converged to the vanishing point. So what will happen over here is it will cut here, it will cut here, it will cut here. Okay, it will cut here, it will cut here, it will cut here, and it will cut here. Is this clear, guys? Is this part is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what you will do is you will going to make a curve here, like that. Make a curve here. Similarly, make this curve here and make them parallel. How they will become parallel? If you see this triangle which you get here is equal to that triangle, these two curves are parallel. Can you see these two triangles which are forming after the curves? There is this triangle and there is this triangle. These two triangles are equal. Okay, these two triangles are equal. If they are equal, it means that the curves are parallel with each other. Similarly, you will make a curve here also. You will make a curve here also. So the triangle here and the triangle here will become equal in size. I hope everybody has understood this. Is there anybody who did not understand this part? Everybody understood? Yeah? Okay. Now the same thing, we will do it here also. In this as well, we're going to do the same. So now, if you want to start the curve from here and end the curve here, you will again make a line which will converge this side. We will converge this side. Once you converge this is the cutting point. This is the crossing point. This is the crossing point, and this is the crossing point. That is the crossing point, and this is the crossing point. So there will be a curve here which will come. Similarly, there will be a curve here which will come. And there will be a curve here which will come. And there will be a curve here which will come. And you push this over here and push that over here. Push this over here and push that over here. Push this down and make a little turn. Push this down and make a little turn. Push this down and make a little turn. Push this as well, make a little turn. And give one more division at the end, so that our sofa will have support here. This is the support. Now here as well, we will see the curve here and we'll make a parallel curve here and join. You see this line here and make a curve here also. And try to manage to give the shading as also. Like that. Make it light over here, make it dark at the bottom, light over here. Make it light over here. Get this dark and light. Get this dark and light. Get this dark and light. Yeah, you see the sofa here now? So I want it to look like that. Okay, I want this to get like this. This is the result that I want. Okay. Everybody understood what I want, guys? Everybody understood it? Yeah. This is one of the very simple sofa which you can get. Okay, and very precisely it can come. I will draw more variation of the sofas later. But first show me this. First you guys need to show me this. So do this, guys, and then we can proceed to the next part.